guys, so here we are today doing this African wrap. Not like African wrap, but wrap that looks exactly like our African map. I was wondering because I had these earrings on and I was like, can I not actually do something that looks like this earring? And I tried and I was able to come out with this. I know you will love it. Let me know down in the comment section if you actually see this wrap looking like our African map. If not, let me know so I can be able to know what to do. I really wanted to figure this out. But before I continue, I really want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your love is so massive. Your support is so great. And if I do not say thank you, then I am not being honest. I really want to thank you. I consider that I am talking to an individual right now, not to this whole group that I have behind me, supporting me. So to you as an individual watching me right now, I say a very big thank you to you for always being around this channel, for watching, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. I really do appreciate your effort. I really do appreciate your love. And the only way I can pay you back is to say a huge thank you to you for always being there. Tell me what you think about this wrap. Wait. Does this not look like our African map? Oh my gosh, it actually came out. Wow, please, those of you who have not subscribed yet to my channel, the fact that I was able to do this African map on my head, can you please give me a subscribe by touching that red subscribe button right now? Thank you. Do not leave without subscribing. Bye.